In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reactivate credit on the Skype application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Skype application if you have it already on your PC. Of course, if you don't, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you are currently using or could be possibly working for you. And once it's opened, go to the URL section and type download Skype, hit the enter button and go to the first link and start downloading the application. This will be pretty easy. It will be like any other download, so you must have been already downloaded something in your PC before. Just go and download it. Then once it's downloaded, you will need to go and install it and open it. Once it's open, they will ask you to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to go and create one. Of course, once you did one of these two options, you'll find yourself here with this homepage or this main screen. And as I said in the beginning of the video, you would like to reactivate your credits on the Skype application. So of course, if you want to reactivate your credits on the application, so let me just notice you that if you are using an iPhone or an iPad and the reactive credits option is not available, all you need to do for you is just you may need to clear the history and the cookies on your device and sign in again. But of course, if you are like using the Windows, so all you need to do now, if you want to reactivate after like being inactive, just go to any browser and go to this link, secure.skype.com/account/credit, and this, I forgot the name of it, reactive, and hit the enter button. And once you are here, wait, let's just load. You will need to log in into your account. So for me, it's already active because that's why they didn't ask me to do anything. But for you, they will ask you just to log in into your account and your account will be reactivated. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.